In A3.2, they want you to be able to label the different parts of the human eye. Um, for me, this is just memorization, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this, unless you're going to be an eye doctor, which is, very important. Um, but I'm just going to point out a couple things and how it relates to like what we're going to be talking about later, because that I think is important. So, um, this is where light enters. So this is like your field of view, and light will enter through your pupil, through the lens, and you have an image that gets put back here on your retina. We're going to talk quite a bit of detail about how the retina is designed and the photoreceptors there and all the different nerves that eventually will send that signal into your optic nerve, and that will eventually go to the rock in your head. No, your brain, of course. So that will eventually go to your brain. Um, and just a couple more little quick things to talk about. So the iris here, that's what is the color of your eye. So whether you're blue or brown or green or hazel. So that's this part right here. You have two jelly-like substances. You have one here in front of your lens. So you have a coat here, right? Your cornea. That's the clear layer of cells that protects your eyes. In between the cornea and your lens, you have this called the aqueous humor, which is this jelly-like substance that the light will travel through. The light will then enter this big area here called the vitreous humor, also jelly, and this light continues and hits anywhere on the back of your retina. However, the fovea here is where the sharpest image is detected. So when you're trying to focus on something, you move your eyes, right, in your head to try to look specifically at something. So you're trying to get that image or those wavelengths of light on that specific part. And that specific part is loaded with those different photoreceptors, rods and cones, which we'll talk about right here. It's also called the macular, so it's got two different names. So that's it for labeling parts of the eye. I'll put a little question there just to test it and just a little game to see how you guys do.